Let me show you an easy way to see your Roblox password, even if you forgot it. There are two primary places that will look for that password, but even if you don't find the password in those two places, I'll walk you through an easy way that you can just reset that password to a new one, even if you don't know. Now, let's first open up the Roblox app on your iPhone, Android, or a computer. Tap on More at the bottom right, scroll down, and tap on Settings. From here, all you need to do is go to your account info at the very top, and then scroll down and tap on Passwords. Now, sometimes it will tell you what your password is here. If you tap on Current Password, it will reveal what it is. And you can also just set a new password on here without necessarily having to know your old password if it will autofill. If you don't see it in there, the next option is you can always just swipe over to the app library, and we're going to just search for the Passwords app. Now, on the Passwords app, all you need to do is, let me just unlock this real quick. Go to the search bar, and on the search bar, we're just going to type in Roblox. From here, just open it up, and you'll be able to see that username and the password right here. Now, if you don't see it in the Passwords app, the last place that you can check before having to reset it is Google Chrome. So open up Google Chrome on any device, tap on those three dots at the bottom right, and Password Manager. Similar to before, it will basically use your Face ID. Let me tap on that again. Similar to before, it will use your Face ID to unlock it and then show you all the passwords on your Google account. You can just type in Roblox, open it up here, and then you'll be able to see your username and the password directly in Google.